This conference will now be recorded.
We'll open CorelDRAW. Yesterday, all can see my screen, right? Everybody can see my screen, right? I have shared my screen. Priyanka has arrived. Srija is arrived. Okay, Noor Afrash is there. Meghna, Debasha Mohanty, Urvashi Pal, Sadia Ronika, yeah, Yukti Sharma. Okay, she's also there. Okay. So we will go to the effects. So anybody having any difficulties? Did you people have tried the effects what I have teached yesterday? Those drop shadow. We have these options here: drop shadow, contour, blend. Okay. So these are the effects I have teached you people: blend, distort, envelope, and extrude. Okay, we have these many effects. Yesterday till distort I have teased you people. Till distort I have teased you people. So we have to go to the envelope and extrude. There are two different effects are there. One is envelope and one is extrude. Okay, so envelope, why we are using the envelope? I'll just place an image. Otherwise I'll go to file import. I'll take an image. Yeah, whatever the images it will take here. Okay. So now we don't have any cutting options. So if you learn the Photoshop software, there you can cut the image, you can crop the image. There are multiple options are there, but we have crop option is here. Crop option, just it will crop only this much area only it will crop. How much ever area we want it enter. If I'll enter it, it will cut that much only. But the thing is, we want it in a different shape. Suppose I don't want this much area, otherwise I don't want this much area and all. So that we can use this envelope tool. I will go to this envelope tool, and here, see, can you see here there is a mark over there. So you can select the point over that. So how much ever area we want, only that much only we can cut it and we can use it like this. Okay, so this is the only options we have, cutting options. Okay, this is the easiest option. So when you are doing the project designs, otherwise when you are doing the brochure design, pamphlet designs, banner design, so that time we have to use this cutting option. Okay, same thing we can use it for the text also. So I'll type any text here. We can use it for the text and we can use it for the shapes also. So this is a tool, it will support for everything. So I'll go to this envelope tool, and here we can cut the text. Okay, just zoom it. Can you see this anchor point? This is, we are not calling, in other software we are calling here anchor point. These are the nodes. Okay, these are the nodes. So using this we can, there is a point over here, so you can easily, we can bend this shape. Okay, we can do the changes of this like this. The shape will go according to that. Okay, so that is the use of envelope shape. Okay, the same thing we can apply for the shape also. So if I go to any of the shapes, complex star, okay, I'll just give some color. I'll just give some color for this, and here I will go to the envelope shape, and I can bend how much ever I want. I can bend this. Okay, zoom it and check how much ever you want the bending of this. See, like this. Yeah. So it will go like this. So using the envelope shape, here what is happening? here with the images we can cut the images. Okay, the image will be like this only. It is not moving anywhere. So it is not moving anywhere. Suppose I don't want this much part, means it is half of the images only we can see in this. Okay, but here it is moving. The text is moving here and there, and text sizes and all, it is increasing and decreasing here using the envelope tool. Like this only we have the shape tool. Using this, it is increasing and decrease the size of the text. Okay, so mainly for the image cuttings we are using this option, that is the envelope tool. So how much ever we will take the images, any cutting options and all we have to make, so that time we have to use this envelope tool. Okay, anybody having any doubt? Next one, we have option called extrude. Okay, extrude we can apply for the shapes and text, not on images. I'll check with the images also. Okay, I will take whatever the shapes we have. So extrude, using this extrude shape, we will get the 3D kind of effects. We will get the 3D kind of effects using the extrude tool. So I will select this extrude and I'll just drag it back side. So what I did, I'll select the extrude tool and I'll drag it to back side of this. See, now what happened? So this is the extrude tool. So if you select anything like this, otherwise if you select like this completely, so you have an option here. In the property window, we have multiple options are there. See, this is the extrude option. So only how much ever you want depth and all, you will get that. Okay, using the extrude tool. So we have here in the property window, we have the color option also is there. See, what are the colors you want, how much ever the colors you want, you will get those color option. Okay, using the extrude tool. Okay, you will have multiple colors, 3 colors also you can give it. You can add 3 colors. Okay, so like this, can add the 3 colors like this. Okay, so like this. This color if you give, then only you are able to see it properly. If you add the 3 colors, so you will get the extrude tool. Okay, so like that we can apply the same thing for the text also. Yeah, to the select of any color, you go to here extrude, so you will get a 3D kind of effect, you will get it. So we are not able to see anything here. What you have to do, you have to drag and select it like this, and we have an option here 3 color. So using that only we can see the depth of the color. See, depth of this extrude, I will select this one and I'll give the colors, whatever the light color shadings you will give, then also 2 different shadings we can take it. So one is this, one is, see, like this. Okay, so this is the 3D effect, 3D shapes. Okay, so this is one different kind of effect we can apply only on the vector based object. That means we can apply for the text and shapes, we cannot apply for images. Okay, so what is the thing is, if I select on this extrude, can you see here small point over here, I'll just select it like this and just reduce the size of this. Yeah, increase the size, how much ever depth you want, you can increase the size of this. So extrude tool, where we can use it, so whenever you want to make the 3D logo designs, okay, 3D logo designs, we have to use the extrude tool. Okay, so anybody having any doubt? Anybody having any doubt about the extrude tool? So any tool if you are taking, there is an option here in the property window. Here upside always you have a property window here. You can increase and you can decrease the size of this. See, look at here. You can increase and you can decrease the size of this. Okay. Check all the options yesterday, whatever I teased you people. So you have to do all the options. Okay. Priyanka, yes. Did you try yesterday's class? What I have taught? Priyanka, yes. Yukti Sharma, Shrija, you people are tried? Yes, ma'am. Okay. Any doubt? Is it easy? You can do it. Tipasha Mohanty? Meghana? Noor Afra? Okay, we can do it. Monday class, I need some of assignment. So Thursday, Friday you have holiday I think. Okay, tomorrow you will get the message. Sunday or Monday, this thing again. Okay. Monday you have class I think. Okay, you will get to know like whether tomorrow we have class or not. Okay. You people have holiday tomorrow?
Ma'am.
Yeah.
We have Friday, ma'am.
Okay, okay, fine. Okay. If the class is there or not, you will get to know tomorrow. Okay. So the thing is, I'll just import the image. I'll go to here, import. Let me check if I'll import some image, whether we can give the extrude or not. Yeah, we cannot give extrude for this. If some of the tools which is we cannot give it means it will not work. See, it is not working. So that means these are the bitmaps images. So we cannot use it for this kind of images. Okay, we have to use it. You have to use it for vector based things. Okay, that means whatever the shapes we have, we can give it for the shapes. Extrude tool, we can use it for the shapes. Okay, so if I use the extrude tool, any side you can take it here, otherwise you can take the location and you can keep it here also. So however you want, you can add it. And if you change the shape of this, okay, so what I'll do, I'll just select it like this and I'll go to here and I'll take this color. See, if I change the shape of this, yeah, automatically the 3D shape also it will get changed. So mainly you want to make the 3D logo designs. So that time we can use it. This one. Okay. I think we have 3D logo design. See, like this kind of embossing effect. So this is the flat image. Correct. BMW what we have created. This is a flat image. Can you see here the depth of this file? Okay, so for that we are use the extrude and we use the drop shadow also for this. Drop shadow and look at here. For this also we have to give the cutting kind of a shapes we have to give it means we have to use the extrude shape. Okay, so one by one we have to separately we have to do it this one and we have to use the extrude shape for this. We'll come back. Okay, what else we have 3D? Yeah, these are my student works. Okay, next in the coming classes, you people have to do these kind of logo designs. Okay, all these are my student works. So we have to create this kind of bird kind of logo, Twitter logo. So using the curve shape, we have to create a logo like this. So I want to, from you people, I want one completed logo. See, Domino's, somebody who did the logo, only these two boxes they did and they placed the Domino's. So, but I wanted complete logo like this, see, which is having the curve shapes in the corner and we have placed the Domino's pizza, exactly the same text we copied. Okay, so something like that, exact I want the work. See, Chrome logo. So for this and all, we have to start the curve shapes. Okay, then only it is possible. And this is the cartoon design. Okay, we can using the when we start this curve shapes, that time we can do it. And we have some advertisement design, poster designs, pamphlet designs, tours and travels, poster designs are there. Okay, all these are related to curves. You have to learn these curves first, later you have to do the designs. So Monday onwards I will start the curve shapes. So because in the curve itself we have to do so many assignments. Okay, so this is the students did actually summer camp logo, summer camp poster. Yeah, this is summer camp poster. Okay, so advertisement of summer camp. Okay, so any product, any small product. Okay, so any small product, with that you have to create a poster designs with the border, any of the things you can take it, and we have to create the poster design like this. Okay, and this is the magazine cover page. Okay, this is the auto car magazine. Okay, this is a related to car magazine. We have to create a design about the car or any of the product. We can take it bridal or any of the health. There are different kind of magazines are there. So that also we can do it in CorelDRAW. Okay. So this is the cover page of the magazine. Okay. So like that, today class we have to go to the, we have to create the poster design. Anybody facing any internet issues? Okay, so we'll go to the CorelDRAW. I'll just take a new file new, A4 size. I'll take A4 size in horizontal direction. Just give okay. Today class I will create some poster design. I'll go to here, file, import. Let me check with this. Yeah. So always you have to, in the corner, press shift and alt. So by the time, see, only shift I'll press it. Yeah. Only press shift, don't press shift alt. See, suppose I want to make an advertisement design about the any of the watches. Otherwise, I'll take as a good quality images. If I'll zoom it, then you can see it, the quality of this. Can you see that? Look at this quality and look at this quality. Okay. So this is completely a blur and this is a small image. Okay. Then I have this also. This is the latest smartwatch. This quality also good actually. Okay. Any of the designs I will take it. I'll keep it like this only side. See now in this I don't want this much area, means what you have to do? We have to go to this envelope tool and here I'll select this shape and I'll go to the envelope tool. Say I don't want this much area. Okay. Let me check whether we can create some design with this only. see here, this much area I will cut it, and so we have to highlight our product. So what we'll do, I'll just go to select this one, envelope tool. So how many colors are there in this? Now you have dark blue and the light blue, and this silver color is here. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Everybody should tell me what are the things we can add it for this. Now I have to add discount. I have to add the information. All these things. One person should tell me. Sadia, can you tell what and all we can add for this? Everybody should tell me the answer. Afternoon time. I know you people will sleep. Okay. Please tell me what are the information we can add it. Poster design. All are there in the class. Dibasha, Urvashi Pal, tell me what kind of information we can add it. Nobody is there in the class. Dibasha, Srija. See, suppose I
Ma'am,
want. Yeah, tell me.
ma'am, you can be like limited stock,
Ah,
and you can be like it is for. Suppose we can keep the price of the watch for 50. Not 50, 30,000,
okay.
and we can be like limited stock for 30,000, and inform the price so that later on the price might increase. So for limited
Okay.
stock, it is 30,000.
Limited stock. Okay, I will take 1 point from you. Limited stock. What about other girls? Everybody should tell me the answer. Okay, just I'll type like this. Limited. Correct or what? Later. First we have, I'll keep it somewhere here. Okay, so I will add some small points here. Exclusive collection. See, for the text, I will select this. See, I'm not using any extra color. Okay, just I will go to here, eyedropper tool. Go to here, color eyedropper. There is an option called color eyedropper. Why we are using this color eyedropper? To pick the color. See, whatever the colors we have, any darker color. So that one we have to pick the color here. So I'm just adding to the image. There is a, you can see that paint bucket. So I'm just adding the color for this. Okay, so any the background is dark or light, So according to that, you can add the colors like this. And later, if you want to make any designs with the box, that also you can make it. So like this, you can add it. Otherwise, not this one. Any of the basic shapes. See later. So back of the layer, front of the layer, you people have to try that. Order to back of the layer. Okay. So before that, what you have to do, you have to give the background color. So background color, you have to take the box rectangular tool and I will give the background color for this. Okay, so any light color I will take it, whether it is matching or not. Otherwise, you can use the background template also. Black color also you can use it. I'll select this selection, order, back of layer. Later we will see whether it is matching or not. Okay. Box is not matching. Where is the limited stock? Yeah. The text I will make it the color like this. Yeah. What else should tell me? Yeah. Any of the watches you can take it and you can add it. See here, envelope tool. Again, if you want the shape, you can give it. Otherwise, let it be like this. Yeah, I want some more information. Tell me, girls. Debasha, Urvashi Pal, Ronika. Zoom it and I'll just check this. Samsung Galaxy Watch. So suppose I don't want this logo means, so what I will do, I can cut it this much area. I don't want to use this logo means I can cut it this much area. Otherwise, you can keep it like this only. Limited stock. Sorry, girls. Exclusive collection like this. Limited stock. I'll keep it like this. Okay, I will use different shape for that. What shape we have? If we'll go to the basic shapes. Yeah, we don't have much option here. curve shapes. Yeah, can use this option like this. Monday onwards, I will tell you people how to make the different poster designs with the curve shapes and all. So I want from all you people all the assignment till now, whatever the assignment I have given. Okay, so main assignments will start now. Poster designs, pamphlet designs, banners design, web banners designs, those things and all. It will start now. See, for this only you can add the drop shadow. So if we will go to the text, see that is the option of drop shadow. Simply slightly you can use the drop shadow. So slowly you should give it, very little drop shadow only you should give. So I don't want from you people just adding the image and text, ma'am is over, work is over. I don't want something like that. Okay, you have to do separate work. Okay, so I want to cut only this much area now, means I have to take the duplicate copy of this. I will take the duplicate copy of this. See, Control D, I have taken this and I will go to this envelope tool, and we have, yeah, I want uh, only the Samsung text I wanted. So that time I'll just zoom it, and only this area I wanted. That means, so just select it neatly. Only this much area only I want it now. Okay, I'll go to the again this selection tool. I'll go to it, control. Okay, this is this. If you want, you can drag it now. See. Now I'll cut it from this image. So I'll go to this envelope tool and I will cut it from this image. Cut this image. So just check it whether everything is come straight or not. Okay. So now what happened? Now once the image is become cutted, so you can use, you can drag it, you can increase the size of that. How much ever you want, you can increase the size of this. See, now I have cut it this much. So now I want only the watch. So what I'll do, I will cut this image like this. Now if I want to increase the size of this, means now I can scale it. Now I will scale it. Yeah, still it is not looking straight. I'll go to this envelope tool again. This much area. Okay. Okay. All okay, students? Okay. So now this is my watch image and this is the company logo design. This is the, you have to create the company logo yourself itself. Otherwise, you have to take it like this. So I'm separated from two different things. I have separated like this. Okay, so now you can add whatever the thing we have informations, other exclusive collection, limited stock, and 50% off. All those things you can add it here now. Okay, so like this we have this one. This is the catchy lines we have to add it for this. So see, now if you select it like this, it will only selecting the box. Now what I'll do, if I'll give it like this order to back of layer means it will completely go back. So I have to take this text front. First we have to take this front of the layer, this text, and this should go, this black background should go back of this layer, to back of this layer. See now what happened, it has come properly. So if you want to do the changes of the shapes, anything you can make it here. You people know already. See any of the shapes you want to turn it like this. I'll just give 15. See like this. Any of the shapes from here, lock. Any of the designs, you have to make the designs like this. 15, 15, 15. See. Only this much is enough, two sides means okay, this much only you can give it. For this also you can add the drop shadow. Okay, again suppose you want to make it as an outline, only I don't want only the outline color we want it means, so I'll just go to here and I will add the outline for this. Yeah, we have already outline here. Okay, with the different designs outline I want it means I'll give the outline, and the fill color, the fill color I'll make it no fill color. See what happened, black outline with, there's no, one second, see only the outline you can see it, there's no fill color and all. Okay, we will add the fill color for this. I will select this one and I will give drop shadow. Drop shadow effects and all we have to give it when everything is got finalized. So afterwards finally we have to do it. See this, when you select this one envelope tool which is not cutted properly, see that time you will have a problem with this. This is because of this one, order to front of layer, which is not proper. Yeah, I think this is not proper. See here, this is not proper. Just zoom it and envelope, press shift and make it proper, then it will cut properly. Using the shift key it will cut properly like this. Hold one point and see it will come properly like this, straight way, it will come in the straight way. Okay, okay, just later you can do the changes of the text here and there. Okay, just I have given the text like this, limited offer, limited stock and all. So later you can do the changes of the text positions and all, you can add it. Okay, so limited stock, I will just, it is an information, I'll keep it like this. I'll just add the box for this again, which is not having outline color. this exclusive collection text. Let me check whether I can use something better text. Okay. I'll just draw shadow for this. I have given very slightly the drop shadow. Okay. Later, if we don't like this, we can change it, no problem. We can fill the color for this. Okay. Single color, we have single color here. So those colors only we can add it. Again, the text has gone down. Let me check. Yeah, see, if you press Alt and click on here, then you will get to see the text. Otherwise, if you click here also, there also, everywhere, you don't get the text. Okay, Alt and left click on this, Alt and click on here, then you can go to here, order to front of layer, order to some front of layer. See, so we have to add some more contents. Okay, so then what else we can add it? So we have to show some offer for them. Okay, oh god, all this caps lock. Yeah, girls, you have to remember and you should tell me what else we can give it. Let us see, Control Z. Okay, for that. Nobody is talking in the class. I'm asking you people some question. Okay. What happened? Urvashi Pal, tell me what contents and all we can add for this. Noor Afra, Ronika, you people unable to talk means you have to message me in the chat box what kind of message we can add it for this. You have to tell me one point, then I can add it easily. Newest technology, okay. Yeah, then new arrival, we can, yeah, new technology, new arrival. Then what else we can add it? Yeah, one person, yeah, Dibasha Mohanty, you told newest technology. I want to add the offer first. Somewhere I want to add the offer. Let me check where I can add the offer. I'll select only this 30. I'll select it like this here, select it like this, and I will add the text. Only the 30. I have given the different text for the 30, and this only this much. Only this much. I have to reduce the size of this. See how much. So everybody will get to know. Yeah, this is the percentage and all. So no need to add it. Okay. So here how much ever you want, only that much only I give it. So, and 30% off, clearance sale, anything you can add it, festival sale. Okay, any of the options you can add it, because you people have to add some of the options. Okay, so 30% off. So this off, I'll bring it down, and I'll just reduce the size of this off. I'll select it like this and just reduce the size of like this. Okay, and I'll change the font for this. 36 it is, and I'll make it 39. See, I don't want this text. See, the text is now grouped now. Okay, so there is a gap between 30 and off here. So I want the thing should be here, very near to this. So if I make it like this also, it will come here. So what I should do now, I'll just cut this text, Control X. Otherwise, I'll delete it off. I will go to the again text tool. I'll select it like this, then I'll type off. Okay, so what happened? So it will come in a different, with a different option we'll get it. Okay, so different text layer. Yeah, different text layer it will come now. So what I'll do, off, I can write it wherever I want. See, here also I can add it. Here also I added. Otherwise percentage symbol also, if I type it here, percentage and the off should be together like this. Okay, select it like this, and yeah, 37 is there. I'll make it 32. Which is enough. For that I want to add some nice shape. I want to make the place for this off also. It should not disturb for my watch design. Okay. Just keep like this, and here I want to reduce it, means I can reduce it like this. So I'll leave it 36, and here we have an option of, okay, so you want to highlight it wherever you want, you can add it. See, everybody should do each and every work, so you have to try all the option. Okay, the caption I have added here, you have to add more information. So somebody messaged me what? New style, newest technology. Yeah, I'll add that also. So I'll just add that information also. Yeah, I'll go to here. This technology, limited period, for limited period. So just add. So what I'll do, so for everything you have to highlight it with, yeah, like this also you can do it, otherwise like this small, and you can add some more text for here. Okay, so I'll just select this one and I'll just give the text. Yeah, before the text only it is good. Newest technology. Control Z. See any of the changes which has happened, just give Control Z. So for this again, I will go to this shape. Let me check what kind of shape we can take it. So we have only these many shapes. Okay, let us see what kind of shapes we can add it, whether it is matching or not. So eyedropper tool. Here you can add some information. Otherwise, I'll keep this text somewhere here. I'll just remove this outline. I'll just make it none. Some of the effects and all we have to add it means. Then Control D. I'll just rotate it, this option. Later you can do the cropping. Later you can do the cropping. First I will take the shape. Okay, lighter color. In this only I'll go to this color. Slowly come back this color. Okay, okay, all are looking same only. Later we can use the crop tool and we can crop it this much area. We can crop it once our design will get finished. So later completely we can crop it. Okay. This area I want to fill up it. Okay. Let me check if it is not matching means I'll keep it like this. Okay, whether it is not matching means. So let me add this shape till here. Okay. won't match for this. Eyedropper tool. Select this one. I'll just go to here and I'll remove the outline of this and order to back of layer. Okay. So again this one, order to back of layer. Order to back of layer. So now only this much area only it is highlighting. So we have to check whether it is matching for everything or not. We need to change what is the changes we have to make it, whether it is suitable or not. So all these things only very important actually. If we'll make a small poster design or if we'll make a bigger poster design, you have to check here what are the new things. If I'll add new things, so mainly the color combinations and all, whether it will be suitable for this. Okay. So that is the main thing only you people have to do. Okay. So this new S technology. Yeah. We'll add here new S technology. So then we should add this box here. One small box here. It will go back of this eyedropper tool. Next, if I want to place this shape, order to back of layer means it will went complete down. I select this black layer, then order to back of layer. Okay, the things it has come like this. I select it like this. I'll keep it down. Okay, so this newest technology I'll keep it like this, and I'll go to this eyedropper tool and I'll add some darker color for this. This text I will add the darker color. Yeah. So check everything. The outline, not necessary. Everyone outline should not be necessary. Okay. So like this, everything it should not look any patch kind of work. There is a design is going to happen. So that's why you have to add some of the things like this. Keep on adding one thing. So when you do the designs, you are getting an idea. So what kind of work we can do it. First you have to select the design first. Later you have to add the contents. So I'll go to this banner shapes and we have multiple options are there. So this kind of 30% off. So something like that, any of the things you want to highlight it. So that time I'll just keep it here only, the shape. See, any of the offer is there. This is shocking news. Something like that we have to show it with the this kind of designs only we have to show it. So first I will place my text here with the different color and off with the different color. Okay, but it should not damage my this original image, original, because the product should not change the front of layer. Yeah. So I'll just reduce the size of this. I'll select this one. So you people have to do the assignment slowly and it should not like one image you're placing and added some text. Ma'am, my work is over. No, I don't want that work. I will send it back immediately. Okay, I don't want that kind of work, everybody. Okay, slowly, how much time I have taken. So this is very simple template designs. I have taken, see here, everything should match, the text should sit properly. So that's why I'm making slowly all the designs and all. So I'm keep on changing the text and designs and all. So like that you have to use your creativity and you have to do the designs. Okay. If I give the yellow color, it will become like this. So all are looking same. Order to front of layer. Alt and left click, then you can see this text in between only. You have to add this front of layer. Okay, 30% off. So if you want, you can use the white color. Otherwise, you can use this for text. I will change it to white, and the background I will change it to red. Okay, because always when we are giving an offer, we should highlight. So that's why we have to give this. See, we have to highlight this part because these are the catchy things. So everybody will get to know, like, yeah, this offer is there. So that's why we have to go and buy this product. So that's why we should highlight this thing. Okay. Yeah. 30% off. So it should not damage the other files. Yeah. Whoever sended me any messages, anybody sended me any messages? So you people's poster design is started. So you cannot wait for any of the assignment. So I want from you people every day assignment. So I'm making a note of whoever sended the assignments and all from next class. This also you can add the color. Okay, if you want you can add this. Otherwise we can add some information, no problem. Okay, we can add some other informations. Anybody sent me any informations? Okay, nobody. Noor Afra.
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody? Yeah, send me some information. Order to back front of layer. Okay. Just I'll add some text over there. Super smart watch. Okay. So it is highlighting with the white color. Yeah. So just nice text I will add. So don't give me text like this. All are looking equal. Okay. So just add a text. All text looks stylish. Even if you select like this, see here. See this one. If we'll go to here, I will add different text for this, and thus this is the color is different. This color is different, and only whatever the text you selected, only that is the text is different, something like this also you can make it. Okay, then double click on this. Only we have to play with the text itself. See, smart is here, and smart I will do the 59 is there, so I'll make it 50. And see this watch. In between I will add, and for this I will select this, and I'll just reduce the size of 54, 52. Okay. So like this, in the with the text itself you have to play it. Yeah. So like this you have to play with the text, and double click on this, select this, and give nice font. Yeah, like this. Super smart watch. So how much I have taken the time, you people know, right? I want anybody who is doing in 5 minutes, all. Okay, simple work I don't want. Okay, super smart watch. So only this much portion is left now. So we can add, yeah, 30% offer is over. Then what else we can add? Exclusive collection is over. Then what? Order now. Yeah, this text is okay. Okay, let me change the text. Okay, where is the chiller font? Just I'll type some text. Okay, order now. Just caps lock. Order now. The white color box. This also. The style, I'll select it, and I will add some other font for this. See, and for this also I will add some other font. See, like this, and the color also like that. See, like this. You have to select this color, and you add something different color. See here, and this U. Also, you can add a different font for this. See, like this, and I'll just reduce the. I will check each and everything in the next class. Each text I will select. I will check it from you people. Okay, something like this stylish text you can add it, and see here, Control X, we cannot do it. Okay, order now. I will see something is moving means I'll just take this oval shape or any of the shapes. I'll just take this box only. Okay, I'll select it like this. Order now with the white color, and otherwise with the black color, otherwise with this red color, yellow color, anything. I just go to this eyedropper tool. I select it. See, you have to select this eyedropper tool, then give the color. See, I'm not using multiple colors here. Yeah. Press Alt and check the text if it is there or not. Otherwise, press Alt and click on this text. Yeah, order to front of layer with the red color or any other colors you can give it. So you people have to take the same concept, same thing, whatever I'm doing, try to copy the same thing. Okay, so you have to create the poster designs like this. Okay, so with the different designs you can make it, but I don't want anything like which is you're just adding one image, one text. There is a color combination, everything which is necessary for this. Okay, so I'm not using any outside color here. Okay, so I will use only the color which is there in my image. Okay, see here, for this I can add any extrude shape, any of this thing you can add it. Okay, see here, the effects also you can use it for this. See, like this, the 3D options you will get. Okay, next class we will do some more changes and all. So while you are taking the printout, then you will feel if you add this kind of 3D effects and all, the flat image what we have taken. Okay, so we will have a problem when we are taking the printout. The printing will not come that much proper. So you can add the drop shadow for this. So I will go to here, the first one, the drop shadow you can add it. Otherwise you can add the outline also. You can add the outline also. Just give 2. Yeah. See only how much ever I want. I don't want that blurred kind of drop shadow. How much ever I want, I have given this one. Okay, and the style color I will change it to eyedropper 2 and here. Only selected area. Okay, any other color also you can select it here. So we have to improve some more this poster design. Okay, we already given the drop shadow, no? So that's why it is not taking. So what you people have to do, you have to make this kind of poster design. So I'll remove it, what are the extra things are there. So take a proper any of the watch, proper watch, any smart watch you can take it. Okay, order now. Any of the website name you can add it. What is that? Samsung, www.samsung.com something. Some of the text we cannot keep anywhere empty. Okay, so like this you can add it with the white color text. So just zoom it, because sometimes it will not select properly text. It is selecting somewhere background, all those things it will select. So that's why. See, when you are giving the website this thing, so that and all you have to give it properly, Arial, something like that you have to give it only. So because it is very important, website names and all, you cannot make a design with that. Okay, so like this. So I have added this effects, and see the 30% of how much ever percentage we wanted, that also you have to add it. So only see 3 is my drop shadow, that much, how much ever you want, only that much only. See, can you see everybody the drop shadow how much ever I given? So that much only you should give it. See the drop shadow and all, how I given this, it is coming on this watch. So like that. So every text also you can add the drop shadow, no problem. See, Samsung is a company, Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So that is the thing we have to highlight it. Okay, so the style only I want to change the font of this style. I will make it as this red color. It is not taking. Okay, so because we have given this drop shadow, that's why it is applying for everything. Okay, Everybody is getting right what is the designing I have done. Okay. So